It is too big. It is big enough. It is too small. It is small enough. It is too expensive. It is cheap enough. It is too difficult. It is easy enough. It is too heavy. It is light enough. It is too loud. It is quiet enough. It is too hot. It is warm enough. It is too cold. It is warm enough. It is too fast. It is slow enough. It is too slow. It is fast enough. It is too noisy. It is quiet enough. It is too dark. It is bright enough. It is too bright. It is dim enough. It is too dangerous. It is safe enough. It is too boring. It is interesting enough. It is too crowded. It is empty enough. It is too far. It is close enough. It is too early. It is late enough. It is too late. It is early enough. It is too weak. It is strong enough. It is too short. It is long enough. It is too long. It is short enough. It is too noisy to sleep. It is quiet enough to sleep. It is too hot to drink. It is cool enough to drink. It is too difficult to understand. It is clear enough to understand. It is too small to live in. It is big enough to live in.